Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to use the TikTok creator portal. So first of all, go to your TikTok, then go to your profile, and here you have to go to the settings. Now I have to tell you that to do this, to check the TikTok creator portal, first you need to have a TikTok creator account or a TikTok business account. If you don't have those, you can do that in very short steps. I have some videos about that, so you can check those on my channel first if you don't have those. But if you have a TikTok creator account or business account, you will see this creator tool menu here in your settings. Just tap on the creator tools menu, and here you have three options: analytics, creator portal, and Q&A. I have other videos about analytics and Q&A, so if you want to know about those, you can go check those out. But right now, let's check out the creator portal. If you tap on it, this will load the site, which is quite complex. So here you have different segments: getting started on TikTok, TikTok creation essentials, foundations for success, TikTok content strategy, community guidelines and safety, and getting paid to create. So in these little pages, you will see very detailed explanations of these things that they mention. They also have videos to show them, and I think they are very useful. If you want to create on TikTok and you want to build your brand on TikTok, I would highly recommend reading all these little articles and getting started by knowing this, because you can start not knowing anything about these and you will definitely learn it on the way, but this can make you a lot more prepared, and it can help you to reach these goals faster. For example, let's check the getting paid to create. This is about the TikTok monetization options. As we all know, on other platforms, on YouTube for example, you can monetize your videos, which can really help making a living by creating. And now, a few months ago, TikTok just launched these ways to monetize your TikTok. There are three ways to monetize. The first one is Creator Fund, which is the basic monetization of your videos. You get paid by the views. So depending on how many views your videos generate, you can get paid by showing ads before or after your videos. On TikTok, Creator Marketplace. This is probably the coolest one from the bunch, and this is a very unique feature on TikTok. With the Creator Marketplace, TikTok tries to connect creators with businesses, so you can actually get business inquiries through TikTok. This is a very cool way. Let's see what it says. Working with brands opens the door to all kinds of opportunities. Learn more about how to collaborate with brands with TikTok Creator Marketplace. Yeah, so that pretty much it is. And live gifting. So this is not very new. We already had these features on Twitch. We have it on YouTube. So yeah, but it's the same. While you have a live show on TikTok, your viewers can send you these gifts, which you can convert to money. When creators host TikTok live streams, they have the opportunity to receive gifts. Check out all the details here. So here you can read all the details. Let's check out, for example, the Creator Fund. It's very useful, these articles. Creator Fund, here is a short video, 3-minute video about this feature. What is TikTok Creator Fund? I already explained it to you. Who is eligible? So you need to have 100,000 followers in the US, but it can vary depending on the country, and actually it's not yet launched, this feature, in every single country. Right now it's available in the United States, United Kingdom, Germany, Italy, France, and Spain. So if you are from another country, you had to be patient. How to apply, it's very easy. I have a video about that as well, so you can check that out. How are my funds? And here is a little screenshot how it will appear on your phone when you have the creator fund. As you can see, this user has $232 on her account, and yeah, that's pretty much it, how the creator fund works and the creator portal. There are a few other featured articles here: Q&A, maximizing your live events, making your videos more accessible. Yeah, these are all very nice. Why create on TikTok? Express yourself, find your community, get discovered. Yeah, so all the good stuff. It's very easy to navigate and it can be very useful. I hope this video was also useful for you. If it was, please consider liking and subscribing. That would be really, really, really useful for me. And see you in the next one. Bye.